APPLYCA introduces RoboLaser STEflex, a revolution in laser cutting. It not only cuts to a decimal accuracy, but also drills and threads, all in just one step without ever having to move the workpiece. This laser guarantees both start and finish positions and ensures extreme precision throughout the trajectory, with a margin almost imperceptible to the eye. The 6-axis FANUC robot can handle sheet metal, 3-dimensional objects, and laser tubing. The RoboLaser STEflex relieves the burden of multiple manipulations. Once cutting is finished, the laser head can be replaced by the spindle, which drills and threads automatically, using the appropriate tool depending on the required task. The integrated Eureka software guides the operator with a user-friendly interface. APPLYCA, we push the limits, offering cutting-edge solutions. Contact us for more information.